Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up custom LED lamp notifications on EMPORIA Smart 5. And to do this you will need to open your Google Play Store. Here find app called NotifyBuddy and install it. When it's ready, open the app, move to the next step and grant 2 permissions. Last right here is battery optimization, which is optional to disable, so you can leave it as it is and proceed. Now we can start using the app and you can see 4 tabs: User, System, Active and Settings. In User you can pick any apps to allow for a custom LED lamp notifications. In System you can find all system bound apps. In Active there's all apps that you've just activated. And in the settings you can customize your LED lamp with different size, shapes or colors. Let's click on Test and right here you can find the LED lamp. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.